Ever wondered where that savory, cheesy sprinkle on your favorite vegan dishes originates? The secret is out. It's nutritional yeast, a humble fungus with a rich history and an even richer profile of benefits. Nutritional yeast, or nooch as it's affectionately known in the culinary world, is a deactivated yeast, specifically Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The story of its origin is as fascinating as its name. This yeast is grown on a sugar-rich medium like molasses. Once it's fully grown, it's harvested, washed, and dried to deactivate it. This process gives nutritional yeast its characteristic flavor: nutty, cheesy, and delightfully umami. Now, don't be fooled by its modest appearance. Nutritional yeast is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. It's also packed with fiber and a host of minerals, but the real star of the show is the B vitamin complex. Nutritional yeast is rich in several B vitamins. Some brands even fortify their nutritional yeast with additional B12, a vitamin that's crucial for nerve function and is often hard to come by in a plant-based diet. This makes nutritional yeast a go-to supplement for vegans and vegetarians. But the benefits of nutritional yeast don't stop there. Its savory flavor, often compared to Parmesan cheese, makes it a versatile addition to a variety of dishes. Sprinkle it on popcorn for a healthy snack, stir it into soups for added depth, or use it as a cheese substitute in a creamy pasta sauce. The possibilities are endless. To recap, nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that's grown on a sugar-rich medium. It's a complete protein and a fantastic source of B vitamins, making it a valuable addition to any diet, particularly for those following plant-based diets. Its savory, cheesy flavor adds a delicious twist to a variety of dishes. So next time you're in the kitchen, reach for that jar of nutritional yeast. Not only will you be adding a pop of flavor to your dish, but you'll also be giving your body a boost of essential nutrients. Remember, good health begins in the kitchen, and with nutritional yeast, a sprinkle is all it takes.